What's up, everybody? It's long overdue for a meal tracking video, just to kind of show you how I track my meals and how simple it is. You might hear me munching because I like to do it as I'm eating, just to go ahead and knock it out because it's fresh on my mind. So I'm having breakfast right now. You probably saw the picture here in the beginning of the video. It's very staple breakfast. I'm usually a creature of habit, so I try to eat a lot of the same things just because it gives me an idea of what my calorie range is. So usually I like to go with how I was preparing the food. So I start off with what I had in the pan. So I had some butter, about a half tablespoon, and then I also had about a tablespoon. Actually, it was a little bit less, but I'll just go with a tablespoon of olive oil. So that's typically where you're going to see the most calories in breakfast, is the cooking oils. So just be cautious of that. If that is what might be taking you over your calories. I also have like the spray Pam, which also helps because that is very low calorie as well. I had some potatoes that I fried up first. So let's do some potatoes. I'll go based off the ounce. So I'll say that was probably about an ounce of potatoes that I fried up. Then we went with the eggs. So I had 2 extra large eggs. Then we did the ham. I had 1 slice of ham. A lot of this stuff I had already scanned entered originally, so it's already saved in here. Just makes it nice and quick. Then we also did the bread, which is called a pan sobao here. It's about 2 ounces. Then we did the fruits. So we did blueberries, which was about half a cup. Then we did strawberries, about half a cup. And then we have a banana, which is about 1 medium banana. And then I've had some coffee, so I'm gonna go ahead and I've had that with this Borden reduced fat milk. So it's probably about 4 ounces, about half a cup total. I know that's probably overshooting it, but I like to kind of overestimate a little bit sometimes if I'm not exactly sure. And then my greens. So there are calories for supplements, so you do want to keep that in mind. So I'm gonna go Bloom greens. And we're going to say that, 1 serving was 1 scoop. And this one says it is about 20 calories. So I'm actually looking at the food label. So I'm going to go with this one, the berry greens and superfoods, which was 20 calories per serving. And I'm going to go ahead and click that. All right. So in a nutshell, for my 2,000 calorie diet for the day, I've already knocked out about 792. So that's considered probably a pretty big breakfast. So I'll probably go a little bit lighter with maybe a later and bigger lunch, and a lighter dinner. But anyway, I hope that helps. If you have any questions about tracking food, I'm here to help you. Have a great day, guys. Bye.